All right, everybody. Oh yeah, you can hear me. We are building this airplane as we go. Apologize, everybody. This show is edutainment. It stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. And we're talking about this, talking about that. We got 30 seconds till the open here. It's Casual Friday, as you can see. The markets are up, down, up, down. It's crazy. It's a whipsaw down today. So I apologize. I've been trying to short the market on a couple of things. Just got out a couple of trades, and now we're gonna do this thing. I haven't built all the slides, so be patient. All right, let's do this. Hey, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon-Liu. This is 8 at 8. 8 minutes starts right now. We're talking about the S&P 500, the 20 stocks that Warren Buffett has told us to pick. Today we are picking a company called NextEra. It is energy/utility stock. One of the safe havens that should be in a recession. But is it really safe? Let's find out. So now that we got some lights, I don't have the investor relations, so we're just gonna go straight to the charts. So let's go straight to the charts. And I gotta change all these things here. So you can look at the chart while I'm changing these circles. It might be the same, but here, let's take a look at energy. It should be a safe haven. We are zooming in, getting rid of some of these Fibonacci's that we have, so we'll cancel these extensions. Look at this. It has had some rough days, even in the utilities sector. So one down arrow. Look at that, just moving over there. January, sellers have control, and also people have been dumping this stock. Why? Man, oh man. Usually in these times, energy or utilities kind of go up during recessionary time, but there's some kind of story here. But if you're a buyer and seller and holder of this, it is dropped down. I don't know who would really consider buying this thing. You'd had some great swing opportunities in here, but look at this drop. Is it another floor, or is it a pause before another drop? According to this, man, we are in for some more hurting, that's for sure. So let's go to the next chart, which is a daily chart. And this is more for us swing traders, those people that are willing to hold, maybe for a week, a month or so, and see if they can take advantage of the momentum. So they usually buy the dip, and let's see if there's any opportunities. It kind of hit out here. What date was that? That was May 2nd. We also had another buying opportunity right here as it get lower, but didn't touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and it's moved back up to medium or fair. Is it gonna pierce through this? There's a pretty strong resistance right here at 73. Let's just call it 73.20. Let's call it like that. We'll give it a little buffer. 73.20 is the height. Right now you're at 70. Could it swing up there? It is trying to. It's had 3 green candles, 3 reds, trying to hold this 70 level. But it's touching the middle. It could drop down after. So let's take a look at what else there is. So if you look at this, it's pretty flat, but still from peak to peak, it is going down. It is not up, that's for sure. Yeah, some people might say they pick these bottoms going up. That is getting stronger. And if you look down below here, yes, you know what? I changed my mind. Let's look at the bottoms, because we're coming up from the bottom up. So we'll give it a green here, just slightly green, and then just slightly green here. But you notice that the MACD is still in the negative here, these lines, but the buyers are trying to pull it up here. How much more higher than they can pull it up? You can see that they haven't had much success. The sellers are definitely stronger, but look at this small gentle run. Hopefully we can start that small gentle run up, but I think that this is a pretty strong ceiling, and this is a pretty strong ceiling as well for you swing traders out there. And it's not Kinder Morgan. Let's change that. I apologize for that. That's not Microsoft. Boom, I wonder if that was there yesterday too. So this is your swing traders. And look at that, I got 3.5 minutes. So let's look up some information here about some stocks. Let's do this. Let's do that. You can see my calendar as I switch out here. So usually what I do for my show is, you can't see this, but I can zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, you're watching me build it. Let's see. So usually I'll go NextEra Energy Investor Relations for you guys, and you're watching me build it. I click on that one. This will give me the home page. I go Yahoo Earnings right here, and then I usually remember the ticker symbol. Hopefully you do too. It is NEE, Next Energy Era, and there you go. You click on that. Oh, let's try that again. Next Energy Era. You're watching me build it. It changes. There you go. There's the earnings. So you see they met April 21st. We were expecting 0.071. They gave us 0.074, which is great. A positive upswing. And let's also look at the financial events that we have today. Yesterday was really weird. It didn't have really anything for us. And again, no economic events, which is kind of suspicious. I think something's broken here. But we do have 13 earnings and 17 stock splits. Is this even right? Today, May 20th. Yeah, it is. I don't know. There's something up with Yahoo Finance here. I expected some economic events. I don't know why there isn't. If I go to other weeks, yeah, something's up. I think something's broken. Even if I go to economic events, there's nothing here, which is kind of weird. So I think something's broken. Yahoo, if you're watching, look it up. And if we look up NextEra, usually I just look up Next Energy and I go stock news. And then I usually just go straight to the news. These are all the news articles, and I usually pick something that's relatively new, usually in the last week or so, but everything in here is a month. Look at here. This is something that's in 16 hours new. This is declaring that they are upping their dividend. Look at that, their dividend. So if you're looking for dividend stocks, energy is one, but definitely I wouldn't use it for growth. And let's see what else there is. 18 hours ago, press release. You can look at this. You could usually find this on the company's website too if they have any press releases. Again, they're just upping their dividends. So there's nothing a lot in the news here. As well, a lot of people are saying that this is a good energy stock to buy. It has been depressed a little bit, and I agree, the whole market's taking a whooping. So let's go to our intraday charts here. We are not looking at Microsoft. We're going to switch that out. We're looking at intraday, and I only got man, even the time is flying. Intraday, and we're looking at NextEra right here. And let's see if we can quickly throw a Fibonacci, because I only got 30 seconds to do this. And time is flying. We go in lows, we go in highs, dropping like it's hot. And like we said, 71 seems to be the high of the day. 73 being ultimate. Look at that, ultimate high. So do we get back up there? I think you're in this wonderful channel. So 71, ceiling support. 76, I think this is going to hold as we go back up. So with that said, look at this. This is consolidating right here. Does it bounce off? Does it give enough to break 71? Will it break 71.50? That's what it's going for today. I think it's doing this little dip, and just like that, we're out. This is the wrong slide. Let's see if we can update this. We're building this ship as we fly it. Man, my voice. Boom, that's better. I apologize, everybody, for today. Catalina is home sick as of yesterday, so she has been taking a little bit of my time. And then Momo's here, and
hello.
Obviously she's feeling better. She was running laps around the house yesterday.
Like 24. 24.
My goodness.
24.
But we still got to get Momo to school.
Huh?
Right? The volume's a little loud on this. Let's change that up.
Really loud.
Yeah, it's too loud. Sorry.
Barely
Sorry,
hear
Robert
us,
Frost.
baby.
All right. With that said, Catalina's here. We haven't done our evening shows. You a little sad about that?
Nah, not really.
Well, this weekend we might be going away. We can either go camping or Whistler, and I think we're gonna go to Whistler.
Whistler.
Yeah.
So, but Daddy, which one is Ethan gonna go to?
He's gonna go camping. Mommy wants to go Whistler.
Okay.
Mommy's the boss.
Bye.
We can still go, to the lake and stuff like that if you want. Or we can go bike riding in Whistler. Would you like to do that? We can ride the hills, ride the mountains. Would you like to do that? Okay.
Yeah, because I haven't hit it on snow yet.
Oh, Guja said it snowed in Whistler yesterday. So we can give it a shot. How about that? Okay, you're taking it. 17 seconds. Bye.
Bye.
All right. Happy Friday, everybody. It's May 20th. 4:20.
Peace out. Peace
Fan
out.
of the stocks. That's all I can say. Maybe even Tesla's going to do their deal. Or, sorry, Elon's going to do his deal. With that
Peace
said,
out.